I don't like my mind right now. Stacking up problems that are so unnecessary. Wish that I could slow things down.
What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be making a origami airplane that flies really good. As you fold this half over to this half. You have to have it very exact. After that, you're going to unfold it. And you're going to fold this corner to this middle crease. So once you have this, you're going to take this and fold it to the middle once more. As so. And you're going to do the same to the other side. So once you have this, you're going to fold it over like this. Make sure the corner is very pointy. I'm going to fold this over to the very bottom line. Like this, and you're going to do the same to the other side. You're going to crease that. And here's your airplane. It flies really good. And here are some clips of me flying it.